Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Narrated Mind. So this reminds actually now it's like a very pretty night, and there is a full moon today, so it's looking very the sky is looking very pretty. This reminds me of this movie called Raja Rani. The kind of comfort that you get from the movie is the same as the comfort that you get from looking at a full moon. It is so pretty, you guys. The frames, the movie, the scenes, the storyline, the dialogues, everything about this movie is so good. When it comes to the storyline, it is about this couple who had their own lovers. So basically, the hero had a lover who dies very tragically, and then there is this heroine who has a lover who she assumes to be dead. So basically he just acts like he's dead, but he's not. There is a story behind that, there is a story behind this. So both of their love stories run parallelly, and then there comes this one point where the heroine is very depressed and her father asks her for only one thing, which is for her to be married. And she gets married to this one guy. This is the hero. The Arya is the hero of the movie, and Nandara is the heroine. Oh, did I mention the title of the movie? It's called Raja Rani. So basically, these two people get married to each other, and then they can't stand each other after marriage. This guy has drinking issues, he smokes, and she hates it to the core. And when she asks him to, she doesn't even give anything to him. Like, she doesn't give food to him, she doesn't give him respect, she doesn't talk to him, she doesn't do anything. And then there comes this one point where slowly things start to change. And when things start to change, the storyline gets extremely interesting. That's where the hero is like, okay, maybe she's just more than what she seems to my eyes. And that's when he tries to understand her background, understand her story, understand what has happened in her life, and try to get to know her more. And series of misunderstandings happen, and they kind of right when they are going close, they grow apart as well. And then there comes this one time where the heroine applies for a job abroad, and she gets selected for that, and she actually tries to go and tell the guy that, you know what, I got this job, but I think I'm gonna reject it. And in that gap, he's like, okay, you can leave, it's okay. If divorce is all you want, I'll file a divorce for you, that's fine. And that's how misunderstandings like become more and more. And the last 15 minutes, you guys, the last 15 minutes में कितना मज़ा आता है. It is like you do not know how it unfolds. Like, you cannot expect how it unfolds, but when it does, it's such a heartwarming scene. It's an airport scene. Airport scenes are always warm, you know that, right? So it's an airport scene, and yeah, it's very warm. So I think you guys should check out that movie for yourself. It's 100% worth a watch. And for anybody who likes to cry, or anybody who likes to watch a rom-com, or anybody who likes good songs, or anybody who loves acting, Nantari's acting in that movie is like bomb, you guys. It's bomb. That's all for today. Bye bye.